Kiss of Cards, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me tonight, Tuesday, May the 20th. May the 20th already. Wow, it's incredible how time flies. I just feel like January 1st was here and now it's May the 20th. Anyway, enough about the date. Thank you for joining me tonight. I am going to do something a little different tonight. I'm not going to bring you a card design, a template with 3 different ideas. I am going to talk to you about how important cards are. Last week, I posted on my Facebook page that I had pulled out this stack of cards. These are all sympathy cards. 5 years ago, on May 24th, 2020, my husband passed away. And this is why I want to talk to you about how important cards are. We think cards get thrown away. It has been 5 years and I still have this stack of sympathy cards. And every year, they have a special drawer in my side table beside my couch. They're in a drawer there. It's just the sympathy cards. And every year I pull them out and I go through them and I read them. And every year that I read them, I am very thankful to the people that took the time to not only write a card, write a special note in there, and send it to me and to my family at that time. It has meant so much to me. And as we have come up to the 5th anniversary, which my 2 girls, we had 2 girls together. We have a son-in-law and we have 2 grandchildren. I talk like I'm still married. I do feel like I'm still married. We went away for the weekend. I took my family away and took them to a cottage, which is what my husband would have loved to have done for his family. So that's what I've been doing all this year for the 5th anniversary, is just doing things that my husband would want to do for his family or for some friends or people in need. He was a very caring and a helpful man. He cared for his family. And, you know, it's just a huge loss. But we went away for the weekend. Get back on my train of thought here. When we went away for the weekend, I brought these stack of cards with me. And I just laid them on the coffee table. And whoever wanted to look at them could look at them, or they were just a reminder of, look how many people thought of us and were kind to us by sending a card. And they mean so much to me. They bring me a peace when I look at them, to think of all the caring people out there who took a moment to send a card. So what I did was I looked through the cards last week. I can't remember which night it was, maybe Tuesday night or Thursday night. I read through the cards and then I laid them out on my living room floor and I posted a picture on my Facebook feed of these cards saying, I've just pulled them out on the 5th anniversary of my husband's death, and just reading through it has brought me such peace and has made me feel so loved. And then someone commented on that Facebook feed and said, you've made me rethink how important cards are, rather than just a message on Facebook. And there's a lot of truth in what this person wrote. It is very easy to just write a message on Facebook. And nowadays, AI will do it for you. But there's not going to be any meaning in that message. But because we took a moment to get a card, some of them are handmade, and those are very special then. to get a card, make a card, and then send the card means a whole lot to the receiver. Now, we know family members, I have some of them, that will get a card and throw them out. But that's the anomaly. That is not the norm. A lot of people keep their cards. And especially when there's a handwritten note in there, it means a lot more. So it's not just giving a card and signing it, it's putting that handwritten note in it that means a lot to a person, especially if it's in a handmade card. Not necessarily one you made, but maybe that you purchased from someone who makes cards, or you make cards yourself. Birthday cards, I have my bedside table. The top drawer is my special drawer for things that I need at night, but also in the one corner is tucked birthday cards. So on my milestone birthdays, I can't keep them all, but on my milestone birthdays, I keep them and I pull them out. Every once in a while when I go to organize that drawer, I'm like, there's those birthday cards. And I look at them and I remember the thoughtful friends who remembered me, or the family members on my birthday. So that's what I wanted to come and share with you about. It's just going to be a short night. I'm going to post the Facebook feed I had. I'll post that in here as well. And I think I just want you to know how much the kindness means to the receiver. We're never going to understand or know who's going to keep it and what it's going to mean to them. But it's worth sending the card so that if and when that person keeps it and pulls it out, they'll be like, wow, this person remembered me. They took the time and they sent me a card. And that is the importance of sending one card. No, what's my mantra? What's my slogan? What's my tagline? I was reversing it there for a second. Is sending kindness out, one card at a time. Thank you for listening and joining me.